In India, there is an environment created that women are subject to sexual harassment, sexual assault, and rape on a daily basis. It is almost presented as a fact. Yet one question remains. Even if that is true, what about the woman? For it is often posed as a gender issue. To highlight why India hides the question, what about the woman? One must realize that India not only protects women when they do something sexually inappropriate, but they also protect women when the women commit sexual crimes. In either of the three ways, either by toning down the severity of the crime, or not prosecuting the women that commit the crime at all, or by blaming a man for it. It is all done under a pretext that sexual environment is particularly vulnerable for women, and that is why women must be protected from any hint of sexuality, unless they initiate it. Let us see a case from Kochi. As per the details emerged from the case, a woman allegedly lured a disabled man into a hotel room. As the man entered the room, four men joined him and the woman. The woman and her friends forced the man to have sex with the woman to blackmail him. When the man refused, he was beaten severely. This is being presented as the case of a honey trap and subsequent violence. But notice, it is not just that. It is a case of attempted rape and possible sexual assault. The reason why it is worse than other rape cases in which women are often victims is because here the idea was to rape the guy and then falsely accuse the victim of raping a woman or taking advantage of her, which would work because Indians will presume in such situation that it was the fault of the man. Not only that, the caught woman is laughing in the photo. If the genders were reversed, you would see the cries of rape culture and the guy being depicted as lustful monster and creep. How the case is not being presented as such, for it contradicts the Indian narrative, a woman being abused or woman being vulnerable party to sex. When you see plenty of examples of women using sex for their advantage, even casually, which leads one to ask, why do Indians, or frankly people in other parts of the world as well, lie about female propensity to sex, especially when the women commit actions that are immoral or inappropriate? Well, there could be many reasons for it. One of the reasons is to not let women be labeled as potential sexual predators, which invariably leads to Indians protecting females committing sexual crimes by applying a differential standard. And the reason why Indians don't want women to be labeled as potential sexual predators is the same as in other countries, to ensure that women are able to extract the most benefit from sexual interactions, no matter the sexual conduct of the woman, even if it borders or crosses the boundary of a severe crime.